Objective. Use the PreFlatteners to set up for the optimizer. ExactFlat has a couple PreFlatteners to choose from. Left-click on the first button to run the Smart Fracture PreFlattener. Right-click on the same button to run the Fracture PreFlattener. Next to it is LSCM, then Pelt, Relaxed Curvature, Convex Combination, and Press. It is recommended to use the LSCM PreFlattener. Select the LSCM PreFlattener from the toolbar. Select all of the pattern pieces, then click Enter. Review the results. Look for reduced strain on the surface and an expanded pattern perimeter. If a cross highlight or flipped triangle appears, switch to a different PreFlattener or use ExactFlat's automated flip triangle removal. Key result. All pattern pieces have a reasonable starting shape with minimal strain and no flipped triangles.